It's time for an early spring, mid-March garden tour. Welcome to Garden Sanity. I'm Laura, and this is in Zone 7, Southern New Jersey. And right now, my garden is bursting with Tete-a-Tete daffodils. These daffodils end up looking like little bouquets, don't they? In many spots, I planted them in groups of 7, sometimes larger groups, sometimes smaller, but always an odd number. Don't know why, but that's what I do. And that's what gives you this lovely bouquet effect, especially as they spread. Now this year, the Tete-a-Tetes are about 2 weeks late. But I'm okay with that. You know why? Because they're blooming at the same time as my crocuses. I usually don't have that happen. Usually the crocuses are done just as the Tete-a-Tetes are getting started. So this makes an even more beautiful display. And of course, who can resist the combination of the Tete-a-Tetes with the Kramer's Red Winter Heath? Here's how this bed looks right now. Just really, really pretty. So the candy tuft is just getting started right here. And here are some great muscari bulbs. You can see with the leaves right here. So they're just getting started as well. And the Dusty Miller is still going strong. Look at how beautiful it is. And I love, again, the bright yellow with the white. That's like a whitish gray. Just really pretty. Here's a nice shot. You can see how all the beds seem to match each other now with the daffodils. Also have Kramer's Red Winter Heath here in absolute gorgeous full bloom. And you have larger daffodils. These are Red Devons. They're more mid-season daffodils, so they're just starting to come up. And these are the early season ones that, like I said, are about 2 weeks late, but I actually love it. I mean, it's lighting up the garden right now. And with the sticks of the Little Lime Punch hydrangea, it looks even prettier. I always love the juxtaposition between dormant shrubs and the new growth in spring. I also love how Tete-a-Tetes just make everything next to them more beautiful. Like this blue star juniper that's developing a lot more of its beautiful blue-green color. now that it's starting to warm up. Do you hear all these birds? I want you to hear them, so I'm not going to talk. I want you to just turn up the volume a little bit, put some headphones on, you'll hear them even better, and enjoy the Tete-a-Tete daffodils and other spring blooms.